Hola a todos, acá Nico, your Argentinian friend and Spanish teacher from Argentina. And in this video, I would like to talk about group lessons. Yeah, group lessons, because there are many benefits of taking group lessons to learn Spanish, to learn Argentinian Spanish in specific. And it is the opportunity of making contact, the opportunity of meet real people as you, new students, of meeting real locals, of meeting Argentinian people, of meeting people from Latin America that have the same needs, that have the same fears, that have the same questions, beginners just like you. This way you will not feel alone to learn Spanish, to learn Argentinian Spanish, because you have people around you that is learning this language that you can practice with, and all of these lessons are much easier because there are people just like you. So one of the best benefits that it has to take group lessons is that this group, this bunch of people, they all are in a safe area, in a safe place. And what is a safe area? Well, if you have seen my videos, you more or less know this terminology. So it is basically a place where it is safe for you to learn Spanish, a place where you can practice your Spanish, a place where you can stop while talking, a place where you can ask questions, a place where you will not feel nervous, you will not feel anxiety, you will not feel bad, because learning this language, and when it comes to speak and when it comes to listen to people and talk and many things more, sometimes we feel kind of stupid, because we are just trying to say things and people are not understanding, or maybe we are making someone have a bad time or something like this, and we just think bad things towards us, bad things for us, just because we don't speak this language. So it is pretty hard to find a place where you can actually speak the language and that you feel that this place is a safe area. It's a place where you can freely practice, a place where you do not feel any anxiety, a place where you do not feel hesitations to make questions, to speak slowly, and to stop where it is necessary, and to stop when you need it. And I think this is the best or the greatest benefit that it has to take group lessons, because this is a wonderful safe area where all of these people are just like you, and you have a teacher, someone who can guide you all learn this language while having a good time with all of these people. A place where you will feel freely to talk, freely to speak slowly, freely if you need to stop, freely to make questions, and the most important thing, to speak freely, without any nervousness, without any anxiety. So that's why I think that taking group lessons is an amazing way to start learning this language. Of course, you can do this just learning with a teacher one-on-one, but maybe you just would like to talk with many people, maybe you just would like to meet more people like you, or maybe you just like much more to be around more people than alone. And at the end of the day, sometimes it is hard to always be alone learning or doing something. So I also think that it's amazing, that is a very good idea to learn Spanish with many people, to learn Spanish with a group. Now, if you have reached this point of this video, I would like to give you a gift. So I would like to tell you that I'm gonna start a group lessons to learn Argentinian Spanish, to learn our language, to learn our dialect. And you already know, instead of having Spanish, we have more like a dialect, we can say. We pronounce words differently, we have a different grammar, we have different words, we have a slang that is completely different to anything that you ever have heard in Spanish, and from anything that you have ever heard from any other spoken Spanish country. So if you would like to start this, and you would like to start changing your life, and start having this Spanish, this Argentinian Spanish, start understanding this language with my group lessons, you can do it. So we'll start on May 2. This year, 2025. And if you're watching this much later, don't worry, because I will open new courses, new classes every 4 months, more or less. So I would like to tell you that this new group will start on May 1, 2025, and it will be 6 months long. It will be 3 times per week, 7 p.m. Argentinian hour. You will see all the different time zones in the description for you. If you live in the United States, if you live in Europe, don't worry, because you will see all the different time zones in the description. What are we gonna do here in my group lessons? So our goal is to learn Argentinian Spanish for traveling. How long does it last? So this group that I'm telling you right now, we will start from May to November, okay, for 6 months learning Argentinian Spanish. Our purpose is to learn Argentinian Spanish specifically for traveling. So after this 6 months, you will have a basic Spanish that allows you to travel here to Argentina, that allows you to speak Spanish here in Argentina, to communicate in necessary contexts, to communicate in traveling situations, to communicate with locals here in Argentina, and having a great time just with your Spanish. This will last 6 months, so if you are interested, in the description you have much more information about it. This is my group lessons with Spanish with Nico here, acá, Nico. So this is just for 8 people. So if you would like to start, right now you have 20 days until May 2 until we start with the course, until we start with the lessons. So if you would like to start changing your life, if you would like to start learning this beautiful language that is Argentinian language, there's a mixture of Italian language, you can do it right now. I don't know what you're waiting for. If you want to learn Argentinian Spanish, here you have the best option. So in the description you will find much more information about it, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in our lessons. So thank you very much for watching this, and if anything, as always, you can write on the comments, you can join to my Telegram community, Argentinian Travelers, where you can always ask me questions. We talk about Argentina, we talk in Spanish, we practice everything over there in my Telegram group. So you will also find it over there. So thank you very much for watching this, y bueno, muchas gracias por ver. Nos vemos en clase, o nos vemos en otro video. Thanks for watching this video. If you are a beginner and you want to learn Spanish, my book, Mini Stories to Learn Spanish Beginner's Guide, is available on Amazon. If you are looking to learn Spanish to visit Argentina with my program, you can do it. All the details are in the description. Thanks for watching.